So on the course, you'll learn a lot of really cool things. So we do a lot of digital forensics, as in the course title. So for example, you'll be sent to court at some point. You'll be interrogated by our law students at the Lord Ashcroft Business School. Lots of fun there. Another interesting thing will be malware. So we do a lot of reverse malware analysis on this course. So static and dynamic, so before the malware is ran to after it's ran, which is also quite interesting. One of the other things that we learn in the course would be the OWASP Top 10, which is critical for as far as web application security is in the world. So the course is unique and exciting because we have amazing live briefs. So a live brief is when an employer comes in who's in the industry, who's very experienced in a certain area. They will have a task, problem, or potentially an old case in our case, that the students can potentially solve. We work with industry standard tools such as X-Ways, which in my opinion is the de facto forensic tool that you will use. We also have a humongous kind of course structure set on open source tools, because at the end of the day, if you go to an employer, they don't have the magical, super expensive tools or hardware that you need, that's okay. Because you'll be able to grab all this stuff from online, GitHub, whatnot, and be able to go through it, show them what you can do, and from there potentially get your job. As far as other equipment are concerned, we invested heavily in brand new digital forensics specific labs. So for example, we have large screens, double, triple monitors. We also have things such as high-end workstations that are specifically designed to do this kind of workflow.
So in this subject, we are using facilities such as virtual machines where we can try out things such as actually installing really dangerous viruses and it not actually affecting our hardware, which is very beneficial in our course of study because we need to find out how to get rid of them safely without actually putting ourselves in danger. And we also use other things such as packet sniffers so we can see where the data is coming from and where it's going, and that in a coursework way of talking, we can find out how things like, you know, in a crime, we can find out who sent what to who and why, which is very beneficial.
Other cool things about our facilities is that we work typically in the Science Centre. It's a brand new building at Anglia Ruskin on our Cambridge campus. There is lovely labs. It's split floor, so it isn't CO2 claustrophobic. We have labs on our 7th floor for our forensic sets. We have our networking ones on the 3rd floor, and our staff members are also based in the building, so we're not too far away if you need any help. Our course connects with industry in a large number of ways. Firstly, when we designed the course originally, it was in consultation with industry, so it is a very practical course rather than more or less an academic theoretical course. So you will be working hands-on with hardware and equipment. We have our employers fairs that are very curated. So we even have specific forensic and cybersecurity specific people that will come as well. And we also have some really good placements available as well, sometimes locally in Anglia Ruskin. Some, for example, we've sent students to Cambridge University for their IT services team. So thanks for watching. I hope this was quite helpful to you. We have a bunch of open days coming up, applicant days and whatnot, and I recommend coming, seeing some stuff in person, and I hope to see you soon.